Hello everybody, it is me, the classyfennekin. So I got my new QCK a few days ago, but then I saw this on clearance, the Acer one. So I was like, and then I saw how much it normally costs. I'm like, boy, we gotta get this. I was like, boy, I gotta get this one, just to check it out. You know. I'm just trying to get this piece of tape off, dude. Well, the packing is a nice surprise. Yeah. This is apparently like a premium mouse pad or something, because it was like, this is like normally like a $35 mouse pad, but I just wanted to unbox it and just show it off. But yeah, so that's gonna be all for now. Thank y'all for watching, and bye for now. Peace.